Take a deck of cards, shuffle it properly, and spread it out. You are almost certainly looking at an arrangement of cards that has never existed before in the history of the world, and never will again. That sounds like the sort of thing people say, so let us actually check it. A deck has 52 cards. Any of them could be on top. Whichever one is, any of the remaining 51 could be next. And so on down. Multiply that chain all the way out and you get a number with 68 digits in it. 8 followed by 67 more digits. That is how many ways a deck of cards can be arranged. Now you have probably heard someone say that is more than the number of atoms in the universe. It is not. That claim is wrong, and it is wrong by a wide margin. The observable universe holds something like 10 to the 80 atoms. A deck of cards is 12 orders of magnitude short of that. The truth does not need the exaggeration because the truth is stranger. Take every human being alive today, all 8 billion. Give each of them a deck and have them shuffle it once every single second and let them keep going. Not for a lifetime, but for the entire age of the universe. 13.8 billion years. When they finish, the fraction of all possible decks they have seen between them is a decimal point followed by 40 zeros. They would not have made a dent. They would not have made a scratch on a dent, which is why your shuffle is almost certainly original. There simply are not enough shuffles in human history to repeat one. A generous count of every shuffle ever performed by anybody puts the chance that 2 of them ever matched at about 1 in 10,000 billion. But that whole argument rests on one word, and it is the word people skip properly. Because a deck you have shuffled 3 or 4 times is not random at all. Mathematicians can measure precisely how far a deck still sits from randomness after each shuffle, and the numbers are not flattering. After 4 shuffles, the order you started with is still sitting there in plain sight. After 6, it is still measurably there. 7 is the first shuffle where the deck genuinely crosses over into random. Which means the casino dealer doing 4 and everybody at your kitchen table doing 2 are handing out decks that still remember the game before. So both halves of this are true at once, and that is the fun of it. Shuffle a deck 7 times and you are holding something the universe has never seen. Shuffle it 3 times and you are holding last night's game with the corners knocked off.